Okay folks, what I got here is a Chevalier 10 by 20 surface grinder. It's an AD, it's an FSG 1020 AD, which means automatic down feed. So you'll be able to set this machine up, set it to grind, tell it how many times to spark out when it's done. When it's finished, it'll shut the wheel off and raise up and let you know it's finished. It's going to come with some extra wheels in the box down there. It's also going to come with this paper filtration system with the automatic paper feed on it. So we're going to go ahead and do a video. I'll show you some of the neater things. It's also got an overhead dresser, which is really nice. So I'm going to go ahead at this point and just show you the dresser coming in and coming out. So I'll close in on that. And then we'll go ahead and go right into some grinding. We'll do that, put it in manual mode, put that back there. We got the magnets all turned on. This electromagnetic chuck. As you can see, the automatic overhead dresser doing its thing. So at this point here, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the hydraulic mode. I'm going to zero back out. I'll show you the machine actually doing some grinding. And then I'll show you the finish on the part when we get done. You can see it's got rapid on the in-feed and down-feed. It's also got rapid on the cross-feed also. Micro down feed handle here. Easy to adjust the stops on it. So we're going to put automatic mode, which is going to be handled far to the right. Anytime you change something during the running operation of the machine, you have to hit the start button again. Then it will start its cross-feed motion. I'm going to speed up the table a little bit here. I am dry grinding, so I'm kind of taking it easy as far as how much stock I'm taking off. Set your zero here. I've got this set up to come down on 2 increments here. You can set it for quite a bit more stock removal. You can use it for plunge grind, automatic, or just standard surface. So at this point here, for keeping the video manageable as far as a file size, I'm going to shut her down. When she gets to the finished part of the grind, I'll shut her off, or I'll turn her back on again. Again, I am dry grinding, so I kind of take it easy. So at this point here, I'm going to conclude this video and turn it on for the next cycle.